Zombie apocalypse.
This is the Cinolink LED light. It's basically like an LED strip. I just wanted to show you how well this is packed. This comes with like a nice plastic tube over top of this to protect it. Inside a box that had styrofoam in it. Everything's covered. We'll put this together and see how it looks. So it took a whole 5 minutes to put the legs on it, plug it in. So the remote controls pretty much everything. So you just turn it on. Turn it on. You can change the modes on it. Go up and down and up. Change the speed on it so it goes faster, slower. Change the brightness on it. You can change the colors just by pushing the color on here. It's pretty cool. Probably look better shot in a corner, shining on the wall instead of just being like this, but I wanted to just see what it looked like. I like it. I just threw it in this corner to see what it looked like. It's not too bad in the daytime. I'm sure it's a lot brighter and looks better at nighttime.